Hey, John Ireland here with Auto Recon Coach. We got kind of a disaster here. Somebody tried taking cell phone mounts off of the dash, but it looks like when they were originally installed, they used super glue. So we're gonna see if we can fix this. I got our area all prepped up. I got it taped. I got some blockers up here. What the game plan is we're gonna try to remove as much glue as we can, sand down rest of the glue, and potentially have to texture and dye it. Alright, so I'm several minutes into sanding and I've definitely made it better, but it is still very rigid. So I'm gonna turn and pivot. What I'm actually gonna do is add some filler to try to smooth both of these out, and we'll go from there. I'm really glad you guys are able to see this. Not every repair goes the way that you think and hope it will. You gotta be able to think on your toes, turn and pivot, and you'll potentially come up with a different way to fix things. Holy cow, really hot. Like I always say, lots of light coats, multiple directions. And we should be good. We had just a little bit of leather conditioner over the top. That helps get rid of all the paint dust and shines everything up. Makes it look so nice.